Hi students, today let's discuss one more type of the angles or one more different type of the formulas. Previously we have just taken that compound angles, allied angles. In the same manner, here multiple and the same sub-multiple angles also is taken. In the next thing is transformation formulas. Transformation formula. So here what we are going to do in this manner means, suppose the sum of the two ratios are there, then how to convert into a product. So actually it is not angles, ratios only, sum of the two ratios. For example, sine of 2x plus sine of 8x square. How to convert this sum into product, or similarly cos of 3x plus cos of 5x. This type of angles, how to convert into here sum is there in between, that we need to convert into product, because suppose they have given in this manner divided by, so the numerator divided by denominator is the numerator value, denominator value. It is not possible to simplify easily, so that if we convert it into a product we can easily simplify. So let's have a look on that type of the angle. How we get this angles means based on the compound angle. Compound angle means already know that sum of the two angle with the ratios, sine of x plus 5, cos of x plus 5, cos of x minus 5, sine of x minus 5. Using those conditions only I am just deriving the value. So first of all we know that cos of x plus 5. What is the cos of x plus 5? Cos x cos y minus sin x into sin y is that. Next, similarly, cos of x minus y. What is the cos of x minus y? Cos x cos y plus sin x into sin y is that. Here, I just call this is equation number 1, equation number 2. While deriving this condition in the derivation, equation number 4, equation number 5 we have called. Here I just rename, that is equation number 1 and equation number 2. So here, what I am just going to do here, adding these two equations, adding the equation number 1 and the equation number 2 we have, what we get, I am just going to add this equation number 1 plus equation number 2, LHS value. What is the LHS value? Cos of x plus 5, adding cos of x minus y, LHS value is added. Similarly, right hand side, add it. If I add these two values, what will you get? This plus this. Okay, here plus is there. So cos of x, cos x, cos y, cos x, cos y. That we can write it as 2 times of cos x, cos y. Here sin x, sin y, negative sign is there. Sin x, sin y, positive sign is there. Get cancelled. So what we just get? Cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y is equal to 2 cos x, cos y. Call this as equation number 3. Next, similarly, subtracting the equation number 1 and the 2 we have. So equation number 1 minus equation number 2, what we get? Equation number 1, LHS value is x plus y minus cos of x minus y is equal to subtracting. So I am just writing directly. I think you just follow. Okay. So LHS value subtracting this value minus of this value is equal to right hand side. Subtracting is nothing but we have to change the sign. So minus, here it is minus, here it is minus. So this is minus of this. What will get? Cos x cos y minus cos x cos y get cancelled. Next, this time minus sin x sin y minus sin x sin y. That means both have the same sign. So same quantity is that minus 2 times of sin x into sin of y. Or this is equation number 4. Is that clear? Now here let's I just change the name of the angle. What I just change the name of the angle means let x plus y is equal to c. Let x plus y is equal to c and x minus y is equal to d. Let x plus y is c and x minus y is d. Okay. So after that I'm just exactly want to get that right hand side. What is the x value and what is the y value? These are the linear equations involving the two variables. Here consider the variables are x and y. So why I just taken a solution is because left hand side in the equation number 3 and the equation number 4, x plus y is that, x minus y is that. But right hand side only the x and y are there. So that what is the value of x, what is the value of y, we have to get it. So that reason I'm just taken a solution. Let x plus y as a c and x minus y as a d. So c and d assuming as a constant because this angle is a some constant fixed number. So x and y are the varying quantity. Already you know that while taking the explanation or introduction of the compound angle. So I just taken that x plus y as a c, x minus y as a d because of this LHS CD which is got. What about the right hand side we have to get? So these are the linear equation involving the two variable. Solve. Already you know that in a bridge course people have studied. So solving. How do you solve these two equations? First of all, adding these two values. So y plus y is there, minus y is there, get cancelled. X plus x, 2x. I just write here x plus x is 2x. Y minus y get cancelled. Adding is there, so I am just adding c plus d. 2x is equal to c plus d. From this we just got x is equal to, what is x is equal to? C plus d divided by 2. Wherever x is there, we can replace the c plus d by 2. Similarly, subtracting these two values. Subtracting means minus, here opposite sign, plus here it is a minus. I am just solving the linear equation involving the two variables by the elimination method. Eliminating one of the variable. Okay. Here x minus x get cancelled. Plus y is to y. To y is equal to, subtracting is that c minus d. So therefore from this we just got the y value. What is the y value? C minus d divided by 2. So these are the x and y value. What is the x value? X value is c plus d by 2. Y value is c minus d by 2. And what is the x plus y? X plus y is c. X minus y is d. That we just got the two now formulas. What are those? Now the equation number 3 implies. What is the equation number 3 implies? C cos of. What is the x plus y? X plus y is nothing but c plus cos of x minus y. What is the x minus y? X minus y is d. Are you sure? Are you clear? Next, right hand side. 2 times of cos of x. What is the x value? C plus d divided by 2 into cos of, what is the value of y? Y is nothing but c minus d divided by 2. Similarly, the equation number 4 implies. What is the equation number 4 implies? Cos of x plus y. That means cos of c minus cos of x minus y. X minus y is nothing but d is equal to, what is value? Minus 2 times of sin of x. Sin of c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2. These are the two formulas for the transformation. First two formulas. Remaining two formulas are there. What are the transformation formula? Out of the 4 formula, first one is cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. We just observe that left hand side value and the right hand side value. How the changes is happen? Left hand side angle c, angle d is there. Cos is there. Middle plus sign is there. Now observe the right hand side. Right hand side, instead of the sum or difference, product is there. So here cos c plus cos d, right hand side are the same. Values are there, cos ratio is there. But what about the change in the angle? Angle here c and d is there. Here c plus d by 2, c minus d by 2. Here c and d, and here c plus d by 2, c minus d by 2 with the product as a 2. Similarly, cos c minus cos d, if it is cos and middle minus sin, right hand side minus 2 into sin ratio is the middle product. Are you sure? Similarly, let's take the two more formula. here cos C plus cos B and cos C minus cos B. Similarly, sin C plus sin B, sin C minus sin B. What we get? We know that. What we know that sin of x plus y. What is the sin of x plus y? Sin of x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Call this as equation number 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 is over 5. Similarly, sin of x minus y. What is the sin of x minus y? Same. Sin x cos y middle minus sin cos x sin y. Call this as equation number 6. Now, same thing here, adding equation number 1 and 2, subtracting equation number 1 and 2. Similarly, adding equation number 5 and 6. What will get? Sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y is equal to how much? Adding, left hand side is over, right hand side. Adding these two, we have to add it. Here plus cos x cos sin y, here minus cos x sin y. Opposite sign get cancelled. Here same sign and the same value. That means 2 times of sin x cos y. 2 times of sin x cos y. Call this as equation number 7. Similarly, subtracting equation number 5 and 6. What will get? Sin of x plus y minus sin of x minus y is equal to how much? Sin of x plus y minus sin of x minus y. Subtract this equation minus of this minus of this. Here we have to change the sign. Here minus sign, here plus sign. This term minus of this term, same quantity, sin x cos y, sin x cos y, opposite sign get cancelled. Here cos x sin y, same quantity, same sign. That means 2 times of cos of x into sin of y. Call this as the equation number 8. Call this as the equation number 8. Now, again, as we done here, the let x plus y is equal to c, x minus y is equal to d. Same angles are there, x plus y, x minus y, x, y, same angles are there. So I just directly replace these all values in the equation number 7 and the 8. Here, equation number 3 implies, equation number 4 implies, which is redone. Now, here I just write equation number 7 implies. What is equation number 7 implies? Sin of x plus y. What is x plus y? C is the x plus y is a c plus sin of x minus y is a d. Sin of d is equal to 2 times of sin of what is x? C plus d by 2. C plus d divided by 2 into cos of y. What is the y value? C minus d by 2. Cos of c minus d divided by 2. Similarly, equation number 8 implies that we can write sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 times of cos of c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2. So these are the required transformation formula. There are totally 4 formulas are there that is called as a transformation formulas. What are those? One is cos c plus cos b is equal to 2 cos of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. Cos of c minus cos of d is equal to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2. Similarly, sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. Sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos of c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2. So these 4 formula we have to compulsory remember. So based on this formula, we are going to solve the problem. And here, just pause the video and note down this derivation in your notes. Okay. Here, I just write all the formulas together and I just give the hint to remember. How to remember these formulas? Transformation formula. So easily you can remember. I just give the hint to remember. So here, first of all, I just write the cos of c plus cos of, what is the cos c plus cos d? 2 times of cos of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. Similarly, cos c minus cos d is equal to minus 2 sin of c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2. Sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin of c plus d by 2 cos of c minus d by 2. Sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos of c plus d by 2 sin of c minus d by 2. Observe these 4 formulas, transformation formulas. So what we have? Observe the angles. Left hand side C, C, C. Right hand side D, D, C. In the left hand side only second term D, D, D angle, C, C angle is there. In the right hand side C plus D by 2, 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 same angle is there. And C minus D by 2, the same angle is there for all the 4 result. And 2 is same for all the 4 result. Only thing is just remember, whenever you have a left hand side cos c plus cos d, right hand side also same ratio will get. What is that? Cos only. 2 is common for all the 4 formula. 2 is common. Write the 2 only. Nothing to worry. Cos left hand side is that cos c plus cos d. Right hand side also we get the cos only. Cos of c plus d by 2. Cos of c minus d by 2. I am just telling the hint to remember these formulas. Left hand side, instead of the plus, if we have the minus, cos c minus cos d. Then if we have the minus on the left hand side, right hand side minus 2 and the ratio is sin. Cos equals to here also cos. Cos negative, here minus sin. Angle c plus d by 2, c minus d by 2. Here in the left hand side, both sin is that, plus is that, right hand side, both the ratio will get, once sin, once cos. Cos sin cos. When we get the first as a sin and next cos, and when we get the first as cos and the next sin means sin cos. When we get, whenever it has a positive sign. If you got the negative sign, first write the cos ratio, then write the sin ratio. I think based on these hints, you can. I hope you just remember these formulas, or else you can develop your own hints and remember the formula. However, ultimately you must and should remember these formulas. Okay, based on these results, let's continue the problems. So, exercise 3.3 remaining problems based on the transformation angles. Yes, prove that the followings in that first cos of pi by 4 plus x plus cos of pi by 4 minus x is equal to root 2 into cos x. We need to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. I just kept these formulas for your understanding purpose, so that next problem I just love this one. Anyway, so we have the formulas here. At the beginning, before going to solve the problem, you must have the knowledge of the formula. What are the formulas are there? Different type of the formulas are there. That is compound angle, allied angle, multiple angle, submultiple angle, and transformation angle. For the given problem, which one is a suitable formula? Okay, so now observe that cos of angle is pi by 4 plus x. Is it allied angle? It is not allied angle because pi by 4 is that. What is the pi by 4? 45. 45 plus x, 45 plus theta. It is not an allied angle. What are the allied angles? 90 plus or minus theta, 180 plus or minus theta, 270 plus or minus theta, 360 plus or minus theta, or just only plus or minus theta. These are the allied angles. And these are not allied angles because 45 is there. Next, after that, compound angle. Yes, obviously it is a compound angle. Sum of the two angle, difference of the two angle is there. Now we have already know the compound angle formula, cos of x plus y, cos of x minus y. We can expand it. So cos of x plus y, cos of x minus y. and pi by 4, cos of pi by 4, 1 by root 2, simplifying will get apart from that. That is also suitable. But if you use those compound formula, then it will get the lengthy. We'll get the result, okay, no problem at all. But we'll get the lengthy process. Apart from that, it is of the form of the transformation. Check it. Cos of C plus cos of D. Cos C plus cos D. What is the cos C plus cos D? Cos is that, middle plus sign is that. That means right hand side also cos. Cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos of C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2. So I just write the formula. What is the formula? We know that cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 times of cos of C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2. You can remember in this manner. How is this remember? Cos C plus cos D is equal to 2cc. What is the 2cc? 2 cos of C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2. Suppose cos C minus cos D is that. How we can remember? Minus 2 ss. What is the minus 2 ss? Minus 2 into sin of C plus D by 2 into sin of C minus D by 2. Suppose if you have the sin C plus sin D, you can remember that 2 times of sin cos sc. What is the sc? 2 as it is sin of C plus D by 2 cos of C minus D by 2. Sin C minus sin D, you can remember 2 cs. What is the 2 cs? 2 cos of C plus D by 2 sin of C minus D by 2. So short form you can remember. While writing in the examination, you have to write the full formula. But for the remember purpose, you can remember in this manner. As you wish. I'm not particularly, I'm not forcing you, but I'm just giving the hint for you people. Anyway, so this is the formula. What is the C angle? Pi by 4 plus x. What is the D angle? Pi by 4 minus x. So LHS value. What is LHS value? Cos of pi by 4 plus x plus cos of pi by 4 minus x. Just observe that cos C plus cos D. Right hand side. What is the right hand side? 2 as it is 2. Cos as it is cos into C plus D. What is the C? Pi by 4 plus x. C is over plus D. D is value pi by 4 minus x divided by 2. 4 divided by 2. Just replace it in the formula. Compare it and replace it. In the trigonometric, you must understand first of all how to compare the given problem into the formulas, well-known formulas. Next, 2 cos of C plus D by 2 is over. Next, cos of C minus D by 2. What is the C? C value is pi by 4 plus x minus times of. I just wrote these results. Okay, minus times of D. Minus times of D value. What is the D value as compared to this one? D value is here. Minus times of this one is nothing but pi by 4 minus plus x divided by 2. I'm not going to write bracket, letters opening the bracket. Not necessary. You can capable. This is right. Okay. I will replace. Check it. Compare it. How? From this step to this step. You just got this. Just compare it one by one, letter to letter. You know, easily understand it. Okay. Next, simplify. So 2 as it is, cos as it is. This angle you can simplify inside. What we can write here plus x minus x get cancelled. Pi by 4 plus pi by 4. 45 plus 45 90. So numerator pi by 2 whole thing divided by 2 as it is into cos of right hand side. Pi plus pi by 4 minus pi by 4 get cancelled. X plus x 2x divided by 2 as it is. 2 cos of pi by 2 is 90. 90 divided by 2. 90 by 2 is 45. So we can write it as a cos of pi by 4. Or else is the last of the basis will get it. 2 is comes to the denominator. 2 2s are 4. Which into cos of. Here inside the angle 2 to get cancelled. What is left? Cos of x is left. 2 as it is cos of 45. What is the cos 45? Cos 45 is 1 divided by root 2 into cos of x standard angle. So what is the right hand side? Root 2 into cos x. But we not get it. First, yes, we get it. How? Root 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Is it anything problem? Instead of writing the 2, I just write the root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. Into cos x as it is. Divided by root 2 as it is. 1 of the root 2 get cancelled. What is left? Root 2 into cos of x. Hence the required RHS value. So this is how we have to solve the problem. This problem particularly you may get for the 3 mark session. So in your exam or in the test, this is simple problem in the transformation formula. Based on the transformation formula, definitely you will get the 5 marks question. Okay, so how that 5 mark question will be there, we'll discuss in this class only. Now let's take the next problem. So I hope you have got this problem very simple. Compare this LHS value and the transformation formula or whatever all the known formulas are there. You just compare it and just replace it. Term to term, you just observe it, compare it, replace it, simplify. We'll get the answer very easily. So here in this video, I am just solving only on the transformation formula. So whenever I am writing the problem, you can easily recognize it. We can use the transformation formula. But in the examination, you will get that we have all the formula. Out of all the formula, which one is the suitable formula to use the particular problem? That will get a difficulty. So that reason, just compare it. So think over it. Which formula is suitable while practicing? Okay, while practicing, just think over it. Which one is suitable to the given formula or given problem to the particular formula. Okay, now let's move to the next problem. Yes, prove that the following. In that second problem, cos of 7x plus cos of 5x divided by sin of 7x minus sin of 5x. Okay, angle is same, 7x, 5x, 5x. And numerator cos plus cos is the denominator sin minus sin is the angle same. On simplifying this all value, we have to get the cot of x. Observe that left hand side angle 7x, 5x are there, but right hand side only the angle x is there. Are you sure? Multiple angles is converted. Okay, 7x, 7 into x is the x value. For example, suppose the x value is 30 degree. Then we have to multiply 7 into 30. 210 degree. Right hand side only the cot of x, like that. How to convert? So observe that numerator cos of c plus cos of d. Ratio is that. So if you convert this ratio in between plus minus is that. If you convert plus minus as a product, we can easily cancel. Cot means what is the cot? Cot is nothing but we have to get the cos x divided by sin of x. If you convert instead of the positive and the negative to the product, we can easily get the result. You just give the one hint that we have to convert plus and minus as the product. How to convert this plus and minus as a product? Means already you know the transformation formulas. What are the transformation formulas? Here, out of the 4 formulae, which one is suitable here? Cos is that, so we know that cos c plus cos d. What is the cos c plus cos d? 2 times of cos of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. Numerator is over. Similarly, sin c minus sin d is that. What is the sin c minus sin d? 2 cos of c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2. Check. So you just mention these formula in your formula list. Okay. So we have these two formula. Applying these two formula into here LHS value. What is the LHS value? Cos of 7x plus cos of 5x whole thing divided by sin of 7x minus sin of 5x. I am just applying these two formula simultaneously. Whole thing divided by is that cos c plus cos d. In place of c, 7x. In place of d, 5x. Now what will get? 2 cos of c c plus d, that means 7x plus 5x divided by 2 inside the angle. This is whole angle, single angle only, into cos of c minus d by 2, 7x minus 5x divided by 2. Are you clear? Next, numerator is over. Come for the denominator. Denominator is what? Sin of 7x minus sin of 5x, which is of the form sin c minus sin d. What is the sin c minus sin d? 2 cos c plus d by 2, 7x plus 5x divided by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, 7x minus 5x divided by 2. Okay, I just replaced with the formula. Now simplify. So check it. Instead of the product, we just got the, instead of the sum and difference, we just got the product. Now can I cancel the 2 or else keep as it is? Still we have any confusion? Keep as it is. Okay, pass. Simplify this angle. 7x plus 5x, 12x. 12x divided by 2. What is the 12x divided by 2? 2 ones are 2, 6 are. So that means 6x. Clear? Next, cos 7x minus 2x. Sorry, 7x minus 5x is 2x. 2x divided by 2. 2 to get cancelled. What is left? X is left. Next, whole thing divided by. Again, 2 as it is. Cos of. Same angle is that. 7x plus 5x by 2. 7x minus 5x by 2. Here it is a minus. 7x minus 5x by 2. No need to calculate. Already simplified angle is that. Directly write it. 6x into sin of x. Or else you need to just simplify. No need because already simplified. Same angle is that. Here, product is that. Can we cancel the 2 2? Yes, obviously we can cancel. Next, cos of 6x, cos of 6x get cancelled because product is there. No need to worry. What is the remaining value is cos of x divided by sin of x. What is the cos x divided by sin x? Cos x divided by sin x is nothing but cot of x, hence the RHS. Very simple. If you solve this much, you will get the full 5 marks. And in the examination, you must ensure write the formula. So how to compulsory write the formula. Unless the formula, you should not write the. You can get it. No problem. You can write it, but sometimes if you did a mistake, there is a chance to deduct the marks. So if you return the formula, if problem is not, you will get the 1 or 2 marks for this formula. Not get the full marks, but for the formula, you will get the 1 or 2 marks. There is a particularly marks distribution is there for the formula, so better to write the formula each and every. That is very easy to simplify the problem. Okay, in the same manner, let's take the next problem. Yes, prove that sin of 5x plus sin of 3x whole thing divided by cos of 5x plus cos of 3x is equal to tan of 4x. We need to prove that LHS equal to RHS. Already know that. You can pause the video and solve it. Just cross multiply. Okay. So sin 5x is the 3x. Same angle is the numerator. It is of the form sin c plus sin d. We know that. What is the formula of sin c plus sin d? Sin c plus sin d is equal. Sin is that whenever sin is there, both ratio will come. So here positive is that means first of all sin of c plus d by 2 and cos of c minus d by 2. Denominator cos c plus cos d. What is the cos c plus cos d? Both are positive is that, cos is that. That means right hand side also cc. That means cos of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by, using this formula we will get the required result. LHS sin of 5x plus sin of 3x whole thing divided by cos of 5x plus cos of 3x is equal to what is the sin c plus sin d? In place of c 5x, in place of d 3x. What will get? 2 2 into sine of c plus d by 2, 5x plus 3x, this thing divided by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2, 5x minus 3x divided by 2. Okay, numerator is over. Come for the denominator. Cos c plus cos d formula. C value is 5x, d value is 3x. Same. Just write the 2 cos. That means 2 cos of. Same in the result side. 5x plus 3x divided by 2 into cos of 5x minus 3x divided by 2. Okay. Now, 2 ask is sine. Simplify the inverse. 5x plus 3x. 8x by 2 is 4x into cos of 5x minus 3x, 2x by 2 is only the x. Okay, next 2 times of cos of, again same angle we can write it or else calculate. 5x plus 3x, 8x by 2 is 4x into cos of 5x minus 3x, 2x by 2 is only the x. So what will cancel? Sin 2 to get cancelled. Here cos x get cancelled. Sin of 4x divided by cos of 4x. What is the answer? This will get a tan of 4x. Hence the answer, that is RHS. And don't cancel the 4x. It is not possible to cancel. This is a single term. Sin of 4x is only one term. Sin of 4x divided by cos of 4x. Sin of 4x, it is the single term. Don't cancel the 4x or xx, which is not possible because this 4x is not outside the sign, because it is only the one term. Cos of 4x is only the one term, which is not possible to cancel. Okay, so with this problem, as I stop here, the remaining problems of this transformation formula will continue in the next video. Okay. Apart from that, I hope your test is going on. So for the mathematics, I think you just already got the question paper pattern. So once again, I just explaining how the question paper will be there. There are totally 4 parts: part A, part B, part C, and the part D for the test. In the annual exam, totally 5 parts are there. But here in the 5th part, E part, there are 10 marks question. But here in the test, there is no 10 marks question. So we are not asking, only 4 parts is there. Here, you have to attempt the 5 question. Each question carries 1 marks. So that is 1 into 5. 1 into 5 is equal to 5. 1 into 5 is equal to how much? 5 marks. Or else you can write 1 marks. 5 questions, you have to will get the 5 marks. Similarly, part B, 2 marks question, you have to attempt the 5 questions, totally 10 marks. Here, you will get the 1 extra question. That means, out of the 6 questions, you have to attempt the 5 questions. Next, part C, 3 marks questions, you have to attempt the 5 questions. So, here, total 15 marks, and here also 1 is the extra question. That means, totally, out of the 6 questions, you have to attend the 5 questions. In a part D, 5 marks questions, you have to attend the 4 questions. That means 20 marks. Here also 1 question is extra. That means out of the 5 questions, you have to attend the 4 questions. So maximum marks for the each question is 5 marks. 20, 35, 45, 50. Totally 50 marks. And extra, how many marks are there extra? There are 5 plus 3 plus 2. Totally, there is a 10 marks extra is there. That means, out of the 16, you have to attend the maximum 50. You can write, if time is sufficient, you can write the extra questions also. If you written all the required number of questions are properly and accurately, no need to write the extra question. If you have any doubt in the attending questions, you just write the extra questions. There is no problem at all writing the extra questions. So you just write it, but evaluation will be going to help for only the particular 5 and the 4 questions only with respect to the part A, part B, part C and the part D. Okay, so just remember this one. The annual question paper pattern will explain in the later words. Okay, with this I just stop here. We'll continue the remaining problems on the transformation in the next video. Okay, thank you.